Jonathan. And today we're going to learn about using the not operator. Go use the not operator to adjust our character's path when there's no gem on the tile. You can skip the middle only if you want to pause the video, and I'm going to automatically go to the code. So these are the only things it says. It says for I in 1 to 4. And in that, the body function only says move forward. So after this move forward, which we have to press enter, when we press on the move forward, in the front we have to enter. We're going to do if statement saying not is on gem. We're going to do the code, which is going to be turn left. One reason why we're going to do this is because every single staircase, it doesn't have a gem. Like every single time Bright does this, it's gonna always have a staircase. So he's gonna keep doing this. Then he's not on gem, he's gonna turn left. And he just did this because he didn't write the whole code. So after turn left, we'll move forward 2 times. We're gonna be on gem. We will collect the gem. Go backwards by turning 2 times left or 2 times right. I'm gonna do 2 times left. And I'm gonna move forward 2 times again and then turn left again. And now I'm gonna say else, and I accidentally put an A. Else I accidentally didn't do the curly braces after the else, because every single time you do else, you always have to have the curly braces. So now we're going to do collect gem, because that's if is not on gem. But now, if it was actually on gem, we will have to collect gem, so we have to do else. Now I'm going to run the code, see if it does it right. And this is very short code, so I just have to do step through code. I don't have to do faster or fastest or slowly step through the code, because I already know what I'm doing. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Also leave a like. Bye!